Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to generate leads on LinkedIn, and I'm going to give you the exact wording template that I've used to generate plenty of leads from the platform, generate conversations and meetings. So if that sounds like something of interest, please do stick around. Before we go any further, I want to say firstly, thank you for tuning into this video. Secondly, we've just reached over 1,000 subscribers, which is mental, and I appreciate it a lot. But that is down to you guys liking, commenting, boosting the word out there, and subscribing. So if you're not already, it's free. You can unsubscribe in a week's time if you really want to, but if you find this video even in the slightest bit valuable, please consider hitting subscribe. It might not mean a huge amount to you, it means a huge amount to me. And if you're on LinkedIn, because this is a video about LinkedIn, go and find me. I'm getting so many requests and connections from LinkedIn, and it's amazing to see who has been watching my content. So reach out to me. I want to see the real people. I want to speak to you because it's nice to know that there are real humans out there, real humans making videos. I'm a human, and it's nice to know there's real people out there watching it. So thanks for connecting. And anyway, I want to show you the easiest, practical way of generating leads on LinkedIn with real examples right now. And to do this, we are going to need to hop into the computer because I'm going to show you how to not only message the right people, I'm going to show you how to find them. We want to find the right people to send the right messages to start those conversations. So let's hop into the computer, let's find the right people, then let's look at the actual script that we're going to be sending to people, which is non-salesy, it's really effective, and is going to generate you more leads, more business, and make sure you like this video. I've said it already, I know, I just thought I'd try and catch you off guard, all right? Jesus. Let's go into the laptop. Welcome to Jacob's Laptop and welcome to my profile page. What we are going to do here is click up in the video. Sorry, Ashley, you've got to go. Hey, look, here, just out of context, but hey, Jacob, I watched one of your YouTube videos. Guess what? I chat to people. I check out your pages, all right? I'm real, and I like when people connect with me. So if you're watching this, go and connect with me. So we're going to search. Click on enter in the search bar. We're going to go into all filters over here. Then we want third and second connections. As always, ignore first connections. We're already connected with these people. We don't need to worry about that. We want new opportunities. These are people we're not connected with. Go down. Location. Where are they? Let's go United Kingdom for me. Scroll down past all of these until you get to industry. I want to say, let's go for wellness. Okay, random one here. Health and wellness. Let's say you have a coaching business in wellness. You want to get some more leads for your coaching business that trains people in wellness and health and fitness. Brilliant. Okay, so we've gone there. We're then going to scroll down and we want the managing director. We ain't messing around here. We want the main person. So now we're going to click show results. This is going to generate us all the people that have the title of managing director in the health and beauty and wellness industry. Brilliant. So let's say we have Gabrielle. Hello, Gabrielle. We are going to connect with Gabrielle and add a note. Now, if you've watched my previous videos, I always say I actually prefer it when you don't send a message, because everyone and their dog, especially on YouTube, tells you send a message saying, oh, I love what you do, connect with me. They actually now start to, people on LinkedIn now start to feel like that's quite salesy and will often be put off by a message. So unless you genuinely ask, I ask, hey, if you're watching this video, go and let me know on LinkedIn and connect with me. Then of course you're going to send me a message saying, hi, I watched you on YouTube and now I'm connecting with you. So that's good. I know who you are there. But in this case, we're kind of cold calling via email. So we don't want to go in making it feel like a sales pitch. But on this occasion, we are trying to kind of negate our way in with a bit of a non-salesy ask for the business. So we are going to send a message in this instance. But if you're building up your connections, just avoid the messages, it just wastes time. Anyway, back to the computer. So we're going to click add a note. Now from here, I want to actually go to the note and we want to do a few things. We want to intrigue, we want to address a pain point, we want to give a solution to that pain point and a call to action. And this is our message. So in this instance, we are looking at Gabrielle. What a beautiful name. So, hello, Gabrielle. I probably spell that wrong. Hi, Gabrielle. I see you have experience in the wellness industry. Now, the first thing we're doing here is by identifying this person has experience in the wellness industry, we're kind of giving them that credit. We're going, hey, I've come to you because I appreciate your experience in this industry. That means a lot to me, and that's the reason I'm reaching out to you. So we've identified, and it gives them a bit of a, oh, cool, okay, people do see me as a bit of an expert in this industry. That's great. Gives them a bit of a pat on the back, and we're being nice. We then go, let's spell this right, could I run something by you? This is the most important bit here. Could I run something by you? We're asking for permission. We're not going straight in with a sales pitch, although you wait until we go further into the message, we kind of are. We're asking for permission. So we started off with a bit of a compliment. I can see you've got great experience in this industry. I wondered if I could run something by you. What does that do? Boing, I'm intrigued. What are they going to say? Of course you can run something by me. So I'm therefore going to read further on. It's no sales at this point. We're just getting them intrigued to want to read on. That's the biggest challenge, and that's the thing that we do here. And trust me, everybody that reads that compliment of their experience and can I run something by you, everyone's going to read further. We're then going down to the pain point. So the pain point, in this case, do you struggle with staff coaching and training? Well, if you've targeted well, and that is what you offer, that is going to be a pain point of theirs. So they probably do struggle, if that's an industry thing, with that particular thing. But you adjust this to whatever your industry is. If they have a particular pain point that you are addressing and you know that is there, well, you just say that. Do you currently struggle with? Or do you have a need for? Or do you find it difficult to? Whatever that pain point is, set that out in the middle. After you've asked for permission, can I run something by you? Then set out the pain point. Do you struggle with this? From that, they're going to be thinking, yes, I do struggle with staff coaching. Blimey. We're going to offer them a solution. The solution is our new wellness coaching program. That is the solution. Your coaching program is the solution, but how are we going to put that in without it sounding too salesy? Well, we could just go, hey, well, we've got a great new wellness coaching program. Hallelujah, but that's too salesy. So it's, would you be open to a chat about our new wellness coaching program? So we've kind of asked, do you have a problem here? And if you do, would you be open to a chat about the solution? That's what we're trying to do here. So remember, we're going to dissect this again from the top. We've addressed their experience. We've said, hey, I can see you've got loads of experience in this industry. Wow, pat on the back, feeling good. Could I run something by you? Boing, I'm intrigued. Of course you can run something by you. Pain point. Do you currently struggle with X, Y, and Z? Oh, bloody hell, yeah, we do. And if you do, would you be open to a chat around solution? There's a solution? Of course, how do I go about this? Well, guess what? We're now at call to action. Let me know if you have 10 minutes to hop on a call. Thanks. That's it. That is your message, and it works. It is effective, it's what I use all of the time, and the responses are huge because people appreciate the stages within there. Most people, when they're sending out these messages, just go straight for the sales pitch. Hi David, be great to connect. Did you know we currently offer blah, blah, blah. You haven't even asked if you can tell them about it. You haven't given them any compliment. You've not asked for the request to be able to talk about it. So it's never going to work. Whereas we're staging it to almost give permission to ourselves and to get them to read through. This is how it would look in the actual message. Hi, in this case, Gabrielle. I see you have experience in the wellness industry. Well done, spelling errors. Could I run something by you? Do you struggle with staff coaching and training? And would you be open to a chat about our new wellness coaching program? Let me know if you have 10 minutes to hop on a call. Thanks. There you go. That is the easiest way of generating leads and conversations and meetings through LinkedIn. It's simple, it's staged, and it is effective. So let me know if you try this, let me know how it works for you. As I've said, go and find me on LinkedIn, connect with me, let me know you came from YouTube, and most importantly, because we are a tiny, I am a tiny channel, and I would appreciate any likes, any comments, and any subscriptions that you give. Subscriptions are free. It sounds so serious. It's free. It's a click of a button, and it means an awful lot to me. So thank you. Thank you for being here. Let's see how we can grow this channel. Let's smash LinkedIn.